Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sui and here is a part 2 of this video. I'll show you how to make the tangerine. Here's a list of what you need to make the tangerine.
So the tangerine is like a pressed sphere. The bottom is a 6-bead circle, and then we'll build 2 layers of 5-bead circles on it, and each layer has 6 circles. The stem is the same as the apple. It's made of 2 green beads. So first thread 6 orange beads to the fishing line and do a go back and move this circle to the middle part. Thread 4 beads to right hand side to make the first circle of the first layer. And then do a go back. For the next 4 circles of first layer, use left hand side to go through 1 old bead and right hand side to add 3 new beads and do go back. As for the last circle of first layer, use left hand side to go through 2 old beads and add 2 new beads to the right hand side and do a go back. Now let's start to make the second layer. To make the first circle, use left hand side to go through 1 more bead and right hand side to add 3 new beads. For the next 4 circles, use left hand side to go through 2 old beads
and add 2 new beads to the right hand side. To make the last circle of the second layer, use left hand side to go through 3 old beads and add 1 new bead to the right hand side. Now let's get to the green part. I will use my left hand side to thread 1 bead. And add 1 green bead to the right hand side and go back. And then I will add 1 more green bead to my right hand side and use the same side to go back to that first green bead that I added. And now do a cross on these 2 beads. And now use either side to go through 4 beads and tie the 2 sides of the string together. The tangerine is finished after cutting the extra fishing line. I hope you find this video helpful. I will see you in my next video. Bye!